All right, let's talk about content and search engine optimization. Now, search engine optimization, aka SEO, gets really, really deep, you guys. I'm not going to go that deep because I'm a social media strategist and not a WordPress person. So, with search engine optimization, that is simply saying what are people searching for in order for whatever they are trying to find to be found, okay? So if I put into the search bar content creation or content strategy, a bunch of websites will come up. How are these websites found? Because typically in the pieces of content, in the caption area, in the blog, there are a ton of words that are wrapped around the keyword that person has put in. So what do you as a business owner do in order to be found with search engine optimization? You must do what we talked about in the last lesson, and that is you must do your keyword research. Okay. You have to pay attention to your keyword research. You have to find out what are people looking for. Now, there's a couple of ways to do this. Here are my favorite. Number one, I like going to Answer the Public. In Answer the Public, if you type in something that you are searching for, again, for me is content strategy, it'll come up with a wheel of other questions that people are asking that probably needs a little bit more of information. It'll say things like, what is strategy? What is content strategy? How to produce content for photographers? All kinds of things in there. And for me, as soon as I see what's being asked in the wheel, that's the content I'm going to produce. And then I'm going to make sure that those keywords are inside of the caption area, or I'm constantly saying them on video so that I can be found by Google or whoever else may sort me so that I can be found when somebody searches for me. The second place that I like to do search engine optimization is on Google itself. If you type in something and you don't hit enter and you do hit enter and then you scroll, Google has this fantastic area where it says people also ask. Okay. So in that area where it says people also ask, there's information for those questions, but if they're also asking it, the content isn't quite fulfilled. So that gives you an area to, create a blog off of it, create a carousel post off of it, create a video off of it, because people are still needing that information. Okay. So again, I'm not going to get too deep into this. Just know that you need to find a couple of tools. SEMrush is another one. Find a couple of tools that will give you the keywords that you need to create around your subject so that you can be found natively and naturally. And don't think that this is just for websites and blogs, because right now on Instagram and other social media platforms, our individual posts are being found in Google. Okay. So try this out, try those 3 tools out and get your keyword research on so that your content can be found.